Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal radiyallahu anhu states, during a journey I was sitting behind the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on his mount, whereas there was only the wood of the packed saddle in between me and him. All of a sudden, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Muaz bin Jabal, I submitted, I am present and ready to serve you, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. After proceeding for a while, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, O Muaz bin Jabal, I thereupon submitted, I am present and ready to serve you, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then traveling a short distance, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Muaz bin Jabal, I submitted, I am present and ready to serve you, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, do you know what is the right of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu on his bondsman? I submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah's right on the bondsman is that they must worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu alone without associating any partner with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then journeyed for a while and said, O Muaz bin Jabal, I submitted, I am present and ready to follow your command, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you know what is the bondsman's right on Allah's blessing if they follow it? I submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the right of the bondsman on Allah's blessing is that He Jalla Jalaluhu may not torment them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 142.